To begin the process, apply soap on your hands and proceed to rub both of your hands together. Be sure to get around your whole hand and the tops of your wrist. Always make sure to get in between your fingers, and also around both your thumbs. To clean the palm of your hands, always use your fingernails. Once that is done, rinse your hands with the tip of your fingers going back towards your wrist so that all the bacteria runs off instead of staying on your hands. Then, you may proceed to dry off your hands. Hello people of Facebook, if this video was informative or helpful to you in any way, please like and share. To see more videos just like it, click the 2 links up above. The first link available for you is a video done by Jacqueline Tomasetti. She's our social clinical worker here at United Medical. It's a step-by-step video pretty much explaining how to handle anxiety and frustration during this COVID-19 pandemic. Our second link is a tutorial video on telehealth and telemedicine. Telehealth is pretty much a way for you to get in contact with your providers through the webcams from home, and pretty much for your ways to make doctor's appointments through the webcams and get in touch with your provider. Like I said before, if you enjoyed that video, please like and share it here on Facebook for anyone that might find it informative. Click the links up above for those 2 other videos, and our third link is for our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be posting these daily tips as well. Everyone please stay healthy and stay safe at home.